Hey guys, this is John Quick coming back at you. This video today is about how to change your lenses on the Sony ZV-E10 camera and most Sony cameras in general. It is so simple. With my instructions, I can help you change your lenses. Let's go over to the work table and let's check it out. Hey, we're back here at the workbench. We got the Sony ZV-E10 camera, and I'm going to show you today on how to take the lenses on and off of this fabulous camera. Now, this camera is great, and sometimes you might not want the lens that comes with the camera, or you just want to switch out lenses for different pictures, whether you want to go wide or you want to zoom in a lot or just get better pictures from different lenses. All you have to do, and I'm going to show you that, is to take off your lenses. There is a little button right here on your Sony camera. You just push that in and then you twist counterclockwise and it pops out. Now this is very delicate in here. You don't want to get this scratched in here or any dust on it. Same with this part right here. And so now what you want to do is, if you want to change your lenses, at the moment I only have one on me right now, the other ones are in the shop, and you're going to see it like this. And what you want to do to put it back on is you're going to see this little white dot right here, okay? And that's your lineup dot, because that's going to go right there. And then here's your button, and here's your pattern there. So match your pattern with the pattern on here and match up the white dot. Pretty simple. So then once it's in, you can feel it click in and then go clockwise. Only when it is flush. You want to make sure everything is flushed. So I'm going to do that one more time. Click your button first, then go clockwise, pull out. Okay, see your pattern, see the pattern in here, match up your white dots, white dot, pattern, and then clockwise. And that's it. That's how you remove your lenses safely and effectively. So now when you're shooting and you want to take off your lenses quick, that's how you do it. Thanks for stopping by, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like and the bell notifications to come back for more tips on cameras. Thanks guys. Peace.